Bro, Woobly VR is literally in my lobby. Woobly. Bro, Woobly.
I got you anytime.
Woobly, is this real? Is this real? Are you real?
Oh my.
Woobly, please tell me you're real. Please tell me you're real.
Come on, Woobly.
I'm literally inspired by you, bro. I'm literally inspired by
It's
you.
Woobly.
Bro, Woobly, I'm literally inspired by you, bro.
Bro, I'm not.
Bro, I'm subscribing. Woobly VR, I'm unsubscribing. I hope you love your subscribers, but
Wait,
I'm
guys, that's not
unsubscribing.
Woobly VR. That's not Woobly.
Shut up, dude!
Woobly has
Woobly
has different orbs.
Woobly
has different orbs.
Bye.
Woobly has different orbs, guys. It's not Woobly.
Be quiet. You're a loser.
I'm not Woobly!
Nobody said you. Idiot.
I'm not Woobly!
Bro, be quiet,
Not
kid. You're 5 years
Woobly.
old. Be quiet, bro. You're 4 years old.
I'm not Woobly!
Look down at your floor. Look down at your floor. I can tell if
Hey,
you're a
who
little
wants
kid or
it? Who
not.
wants
And
it?
then
Who
look
wants
up at
it?
your
Like, who
ceiling
wants
as
it?
fast as you can.
So where you can like buy it.
As fast as you can. Like, do it really fast. Do that again, really fast. Just keep on doing it over and over and over.
My head hurts.
No, like look at your floor. And then look up at your ceiling as fast as you can.
Drop it. Get it. Let me get it. Wait, does it actually turn you into a banana? Wait, how do I get back to normal?
I made a little kid throw his VR.
Grab it. Hurry up and grab it.
I made him throw his VR headset, bro.
I grab it.
He's
Grab
a
it. Grab
chud.
it. Banana, grab it.
But you're a chud. Little kid, you're a chud.
No, don't grab the saddle.
Bro, I made him throw his VR headset. I told him to look down at his floor and then look up as fast as you can. No, it did not break. Yo, little kid, you should definitely do it again. You did it wrong. Wait, move out the way. Wait, don't do it yet.
Yeah.
Alright, do it again. You did it wrong.
Okay. What do I have to do again?
Like, look down at your floor. Look at your floor.
You gotta put your head all
And then
the way
look
down
up as
towards your
fast
floor.
as you can at your
Bring it
ceiling.
up as hard as you can.
As fast.
Please save me from
Woobly VR, please, Jody, don't leave me.
Bro, leave.
Yo, there's
Leave!
a banana flying a thing.
I'm gonna tell on you.
That's absolutely crazy. Then there's a
Kid,
teleporter and there's
do
a
it one more time. You're doing it
There's
wrong.
gonna be some music, but no, it can't. Yeah, please don't.
Come on, get your mom on the mic. Get your mommy on the mic. Get your mom on the mic.
Ah, baby,
Who here thinks they're gonna escape my prison?
Mommy,
Who here
I'm
thinks
so
they can escape my
angry.
prison?
Anyone
have any
everybody.
pumpkins?
I think his mom.
Hey you. Hey Tan.
There's no way.
No people are trying to blow.
How you don't know? Dude, just go on Discord and just look at the links. Everybody go on. Who has the lag machine anyways?
Who are you?
Wait, are you the older brother?
Wobbly, not
Shut up.
wobbly.
Are you the older brother?
Yes.
It's not wobbly.
Oh.
Ow. Hey, ew.
Like, how do you?
Woobly. No, that's not Woobly.
Bro, he is drunk.
Yo, bringing people to an unruly spot. Wants to come. Bringing people to an unruly spot. Wants to come. Dude, I'm posting this on YouTube. You wanna go to an unruly spot? No. He's crazy.
He's fighting his brother. Where he's fighting his brother.
Wait, is that really toasting? Wait, is that really toasting? Wait, toasting, is that really you? Wobbly VR.
Yo, this little kid is such an idiot.
They want to see a ring right now. You know what he's saying right what? Now? Stop.
You deserve
Not
a
bubbly.
You're a fresh haircut for that.
Dude, Dude, I'm just trying to make a YouTube
wobbly.
video.
I'm gonna give him a fresh haircut.
Dude,
Yo.
I'm literally
Yo,
just
he's
trying to
getting
make
so
a
beat.
video. I'm making a video.
Little kid.
I'm making a video.
Little kid. Come on, add me and join me.
I'm not wobbly, first of all.
Add me. Purple,
I'm
add
not
me.
wobbly.
Purple.
Did I not just tell
Add
you?
me,
like,
okay, bro?
He's
Add me.
impersonating.
Add me and join me.
Stop it!
Add me.
Not wobbly.
Yo, wants to go to an unreleased map.
It's tacos LOL. Add me. I'm right here.
Hey, you wanna go to an unreleased map?
Add me. Did you add me?
You wanna go to an
Bro,
unreleased map?
move!
I'll add you.
Okay, add me. I mean, join me. Purple, I'll join you. Purple, I'm gonna join you. Join.
for real?
Join a random code. I'm gonna
bring
join
to
you.
an unreleased map. I'm gonna bring you to an unreleased map.
Wait, go online.
You don't want to? You don't want to go
Okay,
to an
go.
unreleased map?
Go
Oh,
join.
you do?
Go join.
Alright. Take it. Activate it. Bro, what?
Hello? Are you here?
Little
Are you here?
monkey.
Are you here?
Bye, little monkey.
Jonathan.
Tell him to come here.
Come here.
Yeah, 'cause ew, that's it.
Keep on beating him. Don't stop until I say stop. Keep on beating him. Keep on. Make him cry. Make him cry. Make him cry. Make him
Oh, he
cry.
just left the
Make
room.
him.
Jonathan. Come here. Oh, frick you, bro. Come here. Oh god, the floor is shaking.
Huh? The VR on. Fat more.
Oh,
He deserve it.
yeah, go away, nerd.
He said go away, nerd. Screams of despair and agony.
Stop!
Yo, kid, scream, you're so dumb.
You said that! You bad! Hey, you bad!
Oh my god!
doing? You suck.
Did I leave? No, he left. He left. He left. In arena. Bro, are you okay?
Yeah.
Smack him! Beat him up! Beat him up! Beat him up!
You. My elbow really hurt.
Are you okay? Smack him in his face.
You're mean.
Me?
Hey! I'll smack you. Did you get me? I know you, loser.
Smack him again.
What do I do?
Smack him again.
Frick you.